Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Dear students, in the previous grade, we have talked about the story of mysterious Zetavate, and as we have seen that Zachary Zwicker, the boy in the story, the hero of the story, he in his dream he went into the Jig's land, okay, the land of mysterious Jitavate, and what happened to him and how he had survived and come back to his own place we have seen. I hope you have enjoyed the story and understood also. Now today we are going to talk about the question answers, very short question answers from the textbook. Now we are going to start solving short question answers from page number 22, understanding what we read. So dear students, as we have read the story and understood the story, now we have to give, actually this answer is for oral, these questions are for oral, but you have to do all these answers into your book itself. So before that you have to write the questions answer, you have to make lines in front of each question. Dear students, why we are doing these questions answers into book itself? Because answer the following in 2 or 3 words, the answers are very short, and that's why, okay, it's very funny and it's very easy to find out its answers from the story. All right, so let's start. So from the story we have the first question: what was the name of the boy in the story? What was the name of the boy in the story? So yes, correct. The name of the boy is Zachary Zwicker. So please here with your pencil or pen, you have with your pen you have to, in the book you have to write with pencil, okay. So Zachary Zwicker is the name of the boy in the story. Now second, who was the man in the gaudy uniform? On the very first page we have seen there was a man in a gaudy uniform, okay. So who was that man? So that man, if you go back and turn your pages, so you will easily get the answer, okay. And that man was Gismund the Seventh. Actually Gismund the Seventh means seventh, okay. So because some words were forbidden, okay. Gismund the Seventh. Name the country the man ruled over, and on which country that man Gismund the Seventh ruled over? Yes, now the Zachary Zwicker was in a Jig's land, okay, Jig's land. So here I have written Jig's land. Now number 4, name the alphabet used in the strange country. So what were the words strange, what were the words alphabets used in that country? Zetavate, yes, Zetavate. You have to mention it into capital letter, Zetavate. Alright, then number 5, what was the name of the ruler's palace? Yes, जिजमंड द सेवन का जो पैलेस था, राजमहल था, उसका नाम क्या था? यस, it started from Jade. Yes, correct. Chenit Zigaret. So please write the correct spellings. If you have found a little bit difficulty from here, so you can use your book for referral. Then Zenith Zigaret was the name of ruler's palace. What was number 6? What was the first letter of the country's alphabet? Okay, what was the first letter of the country's alphabet? Yes, as we have the first letter of our alphabet is A, but in that Jig's land the first word is, yes, correct, Jade. Each important word start with the Jade. And what was the last letter there then? Because as we have started our alphabet from A to Z. They have started from Z to A. So what was the last letter then? Yes, obviously A. Okay. Then number 8, name the country's national flower. Yes, as we have seen that the Jackie Jicker has given all the answers. Right, alright. So name the country's national flower. So Zinnia. Okay. So dear students, zinnia is the national flower of Gippsland. Actually, dear students, zinnia looks like a sunflower, okay, and it grows very nicely and very easily. It's a bushy plant. They name the national jewel. Yes, national jewel of Gippsland is zircon. Okay, zircon. It is also called zircon. We call it zircon. Number 10. Which three African nations did they like best? Which are the best three African nations they like best? So, what are the names of those African nations? Yes, Zaire, then Zambia, another is, and yes, Zimbabwe. Also, we have the cricket team from this Zimbabwe. Okay, Zaire, Zambia, and Zimbabwe. Number 11. What is the name of Zambia's great river? What is the name of Zambia's great river? Okay, so Zambezi is the great river of Zambezi. Okay. Then number 12. What vehicle did the ruler use? The Jigman the Jevan. What type of vehicle he used? So what is the name of his vehicle? Yes, that is the Zeppelin. Okay, so Zeppelin is the name of ruler's vehicle. Then what is snack stand? What is a snack stand? Actually it is a snack stand. Okay, snack stand. And what was their national vegetable? Yes, their national vegetable is zucchini. So dear friends, zucchini, what is zucchini? Zucchini is a dark green vegetable that looks like cucumber and used in salad mostly. Okay, so these are the questions and very short questions and answers of the lesson, the topic unit 2, mysterious cheetah weight. Okay, I am today with this I am providing you the words meaning sheet, PDF sheet of words meaning. So dear students, please read that the words of the difficult words meanings and learn well. Okay, go through that PDF sheet of difficult words meanings properly, read it properly, learn it properly, and practice it. Okay, in the next period we will talk about some other grammatical item. Okay, but before that, again we are going to see the spelling and vocabulary part. Okay, so please move to the page number 23. Here, as I have already provided you the PDF sheet of all the difficult words. Okay, you have to go through that difficult words PDF sheet, learn well, and then solve it. But yes, we are solving here spelling and vocabulary. Okay, so let's see the spellings and let's improve our vocabulary. So you learned a number of new words from this story. maximum words are new words are used in this story, dear students. Now match the words with their meanings. Many maximum words are very new to us. Okay, now let's see their meanings and match the words with their correct meaning. Now jerkily, what is the meaning of jerkily? Okay, means jerkily means झटके से. Okay, अचानक रुक जाना और झटका लगना और चालू हो जाना. So that is stopping and starting suddenly. So what is the correct option? Yes, yep. Stopping and starting suddenly. रुक जाना और अचानक फिर से शुरू हो जाना, झटके मार मार के जैसे गाड़ी करती है. So that is jerkily. Okay, so yep is the correct answer. Okay. Then another meaning, the meaning of jerkily is stopping and starting suddenly. Number 2, gaudy. You know gaudy, जब वेरी स्ट्रेंज दिखने वाले अलग ही कपड़े ऑड दिखते हैं, इट लुक्स वेरी डिफरेंट. सो गॉडी मीन्स is particularly talked about when somebody dressed in a gaudy manner, flashy manner, too colorful. Okay, so the correct option is too colorful and flashy. चमकदार भड़काऊ कपड़े जिसे हम कहते हैं. Okay, all right. So meaning gaudy means I too colorful and flashy. Now number 3, glared. Glared. Glared means to look at somebody very angrily. किसी की तरफ गुस्से से देखना. Means what is the correct option? Yes, A, stared at angrily. So the option A is correct. What is the meaning of glare? Stared at angrily. Now number 4, staggered. Okay, staggered means when somebody is very nervous and feels weak and then he loses one's control. Okay, मतलब अपने आप को संभाल न सकना, हम अपना संतुलन बिगाड़ना. Okay, so that is the meaning of staggered. So let's find the meaning, the exact. Stayed, not allowed, telling. Staggered, stopping. Dark green, walked. How? Yes. Number H, walked unsteadily as though about to fall at any time. मतलब अनस्टेडीली चलना, असंतुलित होकर चलना और ऐसा लगना कि कभी भी गिर सकता है. ओके, सो द स्टैगर्ड, द मीनिंग ऑफ स्टैगर्ड, H ऑप्शन इज देयर. वॉक्ड अनस्टेडीली एज दो अबाउट टू फॉल एट एनी टाइम. नाउ फॉरबिडन, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ फॉरबिडन? यस, यू आर नॉट अलाउड. फॉरबिडन मना करना है ना. यू स्टूडेंट्स आर ऑलवेज फॉरबिडन, है ना, फॉर मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स. आपको ये मत करो, वो मत करो. सो फॉरबिडन मीन्स नॉट अलाउड, मीन्स मना करना. देन नंबर 6, फेमस. फेमस बहुत ही प्रसिद्ध, पॉपुलर, जिसे ज़्यादा लोग जानते हैं. ओके, वेरी इजी. नंबर J, वेल नोन, जिसे काफ़ी लोग जानते हैं आसानी से. So famous means well known. Now number 7, cigarette. Okay, so cigarette, we have seen the children used to live in cigarette. Okay, Chinese cigarette. So it's one type of building, cigarette, a palace, a building in the form of, number C, a building in the form of a pyramid with a number of terraces one above the other. Okay, that is, that type of building is called cigarette. So the option is C. Then zigzagged, number 8, zigzag. Zigzag means आड़ा टेढ़ा, कभी इधर कभी उधर, कभी इधर कभी उधर. Okay, so that is zigzag, means first went one way and then another. So the answer is D. First went one way and then another. पहले इधर जाना फिर उधर मुड़ना, इधर उधर इधर उधर. Okay, so that is zigzag. The road was zigzag. Okay, so the option is D. Then Jicon. Yes, dear students, 9 number. Jicon national jewel of, yes, correct. A hard colorless mineral used like a gemstone. ओके, ज्वेलरी की तरह यूज करते थे जेमस्टोन. That is a hard colorless mineral used like a gemstone, that is zircon. So the correct option is E. Okay. And zucchini. Okay, zucchini is the national dish. Yes. A dark green vegetable that looks like a cucumber. ककड़ी के समान दिखने वाला एक डार्क ग्रीन वेजिटेबल सब्जी जिससे सलाद बनती है. ओके, so that is the zucchini. So the option is Z. So dear students, here we have finished this very short question answers and the match the pair with their words meaning. I hope dear students you have understood it well, learn well, practice well and do well. Have a good day. See you.